Welcome to Bitcoin Mastery with LOVE888LOVE, the Lord of 888. Bitcoin is not just digital money. It is the hardest, scarcest asset in human history. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. No government can print more. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving cuts new supply in half, driving long-term value. Major institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy are buying Bitcoin aggressively. Bitcoin is digital gold, but better. Portable, divisible, verifiable, and borderless. It is the ultimate hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and broken monetary systems. In a world of endless money printing, Bitcoin stands as the antidote. Nation-states are now adding Bitcoin to their strategic reserves. The shift has begun. This is the start of a global monetary reset, and Bitcoin is at the center of it. Owning Bitcoin is powerful, but owning it the right way is everything. On Binance, you can buy Bitcoin easily, securely, and with very low fees. For long-term holding, always move your Bitcoin off exchanges into self-custody. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, and protect your seed phrase like gold. Dollar cost averaging, buying Bitcoin every week, is the smartest strategy for most people. Bitcoin rewards patience, conviction, and discipline. It punishes emotional decisions. Combine Bitcoin with the 888 abundance mindset, research, patience, and long-term vision. The next Bitcoin bull cycle will be the greatest wealth transfer in modern history. This is your moment to position yourself before the mainstream arrives. Subscribe to LOVE888LOVE and let's build generational Bitcoin wealth together on the path of 888 abundance.